chuchi kata. Se me didi amen. Na Ghana best idea. Enye problem. Inti okoi. Meba. Sorry. Enti okoi. Se wanu wodi. Wajini sika. Na se Ghana best ya. Ense inti okoi. Now. Oma yewi. Na NDC youth organizers. Arazaki no. I'm very happy. Say police for. I take you on. So more no. Na ye betche no so. Now, empanifo asesa anansi wo fie aye misa de onwene ntentan. Se kwekwa nansi wo fie na ukoto ntentan wo ho a ye misa se hwan na nwene ntentan we. In a house full of spiders. In a house full of spiders. We do not ask who made the web. And as Wofie was a one and you in time. Send this for about to violence. Ukobisa say, Ebani say, they are criminals. In fact, Matia Kwana Samnidi, or see your leadership, and I catch sir, and who are the leadership? And said Dunkatia now is the leader of the party, chairman. And unto Omoan Kasa Koto Abano, Omo ye example the Ghana for say, ya humponi. Or fact that dear Kenya, they know they are denchino bam. That they are putting near trim. No kuno, some will be. Or more who knew, no more catch the Ghana for say, Modia Mopa Mumfa to me, my number who dear debate. Now, Yati, my mu Ghana. Anna Collins down the nearby catcher, so on the Nipekum. Well, Kunsa, yeah, and idea way. NDC for you. Anita this also. Etiwa by election. Or the car. Etifa akraso. Ema akrani wuye. Anita this also. The car bore. Young chada. Onim boni. Aba pimne. Me kaipa. Kokoma. Omuchicha. MPP for. Yes. Kafra. Sorry, Kafra. Omuchicha. Good morning, Haj. MPP for me no our Kokoma market because they MPP sympathizers. Therefore, we want to put everybody with the MPP. She said, keep quiet. Yes. I'm found some question, mammy. I'm found some question. Kafra, okay? Don't try it. A bit proud. Sorry. Ebepimne ye huomo. NDC for you. NDC for you. Now, Akwani say, yem penny for. Listen to the video again. Or say yem penny for. Enna actually yen say yem kum for power. Ghana for, is that what you want? Say nipa no. Okunkum nipa be di power. Obe kumwo. To retain power. I'm telling you. Because I pray kume gun shrine impo ne ye te kumo kwadui. Nya beso. Fra no. Okwaduo ebedidi wo ni fruit so. Aso fra wa mpo yetimi te kum kwaduo wa ase na afa eba beso. Wo de ma me famra normal we ni enti ase. Yemfa nsa mango enso. Na monkey epe mango pa asamka eso flower na yetimi kum monkey wase na eso mango no dia na ebeye wase sawa enti this reason ti me say omukum nipa di bedi power obeku nipa to retain power enti if you want your peace. Now, who person Bako school Sabadia don't kill and vote for the NDC 2024. Yes, in the absence of good, bad is okay. I'm telling you, open your research. No government in this world, any two abasses here incumbency. Incumbent government be our baby, lusu. Abai because we are sick crisis now, Abano. Obi ani papa hoto And we don't care about what is going on. And the Ghanaians will lament. That's okay. But Senka NDC for and Quebecois Gajo. Yebe soon. That is the fact. Because taxes are ye free honor. Taxes are ye free honor. So taxes are ye free honor. I can't one carry. Omo ye criminals. Mama one says we couldn't be power. Obe couldn't to retain power. 2. Nipa no wokum ubeka se mfa ho wokum obi wi a woku mani wi a uzu ye nipa obekun enti mabusua na ye ba be hye o mase to retain power. And we are all not safe. 3. The peace aye wo man Ghana mu no asumdua ye wo no ebe say because me ntra wo se bekume enti ene de all can say what the war na eba cold war and what they ba Ghana no go me ntra ho nom say kokohwe kwa asa no ukita ba na me nsa hye me damri fam se bekume anas wo kumi pa ne ba usu timi kobi now ma me kwa say dun katia de no so hwe I said dun katia no wa ya na ye kan ebi obi beka say papa na nyini nti eni kwa say ene ne kasasa ai and there when he's old enough to be my father but wicked enough not to be my father. My main can be in what can hold that say why is it that the NDC people omo attain power omo go through omo hierarchy na no man say so omo busu afo nyina ko go abrochire if they meant good for Ghana Rollins buy was say ne man nyina ko go abrochire say ye de yen hia for mangu Ghana na ne bazinato enkoye doctor no mbedi yeso. And in fact, people of Kolekrote see nothing wrong with what went on. Eda so koto abama zinato. So mbedi obi ane papa de o manisika at the expense of you. And so ane ko ye chi no wase na danfo broni bi na ehwe no. No aba monto aba mame. Na wo de wo mame de manisika ne bi de wo ko abrochira enke wo mbeye mampenu asa koto aba no de ama no. Oba no wan ka kire mu se kole Laguna eda hono wo be ye ni cleaning the way so what na so say meba what na so how many years ni mummy enfa no nto nchen I said dun katia said the American no was a wicked man